Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I have a design team haul that I want to share with you tonight. This is a fun collection. I'm really happy. I love this so much. I just do. And I actually, you guys know I live in the Pacific Northwest, and right now it's raining like crazy, and I just wish it would snow because it would be so much prettier than all of the rain we're getting. But hey, you know what? I'm going to pretend with this kit. This is absolutely beautiful. So this is my design team package from Country Craft Creations. I just got it yesterday. I'm really excited about it. I've already got one project that I have actually had designed for a long time, and I was waiting for the appropriate paper for it, because you know how it is when you get your papers, you want to make sure you have the right project for it. Well, I've got the right project for this paper. I am so happy. So you guys, this is Chillin' with My Snowmies, and this is by Echo Park, and it is so adorable. It is so adorable. It's a winter collection. It has just the best colors in it. It has, these really beautiful like coral colors, and just it's beautiful. So let's get started. I'll show you what I got. Down in the description below I will have links to all of the products so that you can go ahead and see them. So let's get started. I'll tell you what I've got, I'll show you what I've got, and then I'll get busy on my project. I can't wait to show it to you because I think it's going to be fun. And like I said, I've had it in my stash, like I did a prototype of it for a long time, and I have been just waiting for the right stuff. So this is the right stuff. This is perfect. So let's start off on the top here. We've got some light blue seam binding. So I've got this beautiful seam binding I'm going to get to use in my project. And look how perfect that color goes with the collection. It's just gorgeous. So this again is called light blue seam binding. I have some twine for this project, and this is called Bittersweet. This is a gorgeous color. Kind of a really pretty, it's called Bittersweet, but it's kind of like a dark coral color. I just love it. It's gorgeous. And I think it fits just perfectly with this paper collection. And then I've got this, I love this stuff, this polka dotted organza ribbon. I've got a lot of that too. So this is in white, and this is going to be just the perfect complement to this paper collection. So I'll put this off to the side then. We have, I received a package of the chipboard words and phrases. So I have that, all the cute little phrases, snow cute and snuggled up with you, winter weather. This is going to be a great collection for winter. I'm super happy. The stickers that came with the collection look like this, and they are adorable. I love that little snowman and the snow globe. Isn't that cute? Just super, super fun collection. Think it's absolutely cute. Here is a sheet. I have 2 sheets of each. So I have the sheet of cut-aparts here, the 3x4 cut-aparts, and then on the back, this beautiful plaid. And then I have the 4x4 cut-aparts. Have 2 of those. On the back of that, we've got these gorgeous little houses with all the little snowmen in them. I'm trying to get my paper separated so I can bring it up closer and show you, but look how sweet they are. Look at the snowmen. Oh my God, I just love them. Just love them. Super cute. The 4x6 cut-aparts are adorable. I love that we've got some journaling spots here. And then on the back, we have all of our snow gear. So our pants and our boots and mittens and our hats. And it says, all bundled up, stay warm, snow day fun. Love it. Love it. The colors are just killing me. I just love these colors. These are gorgeous. This is mittens on this side with all the pretty colors. And then look at the snowflakes. How gorgeous is that? Love it. And then we have more snowflakes with all of the colors in here on the white background. And then we have a blue stripe on the back. I'm going to have fun with this. I really am. And the snowflakes and the blues. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. On the back of that, we have this beautiful pattern. This is beautiful. Beautiful collection. I love it. Oh, another page of cut-aparts. All different sizes, so that's fun to play with. I love that. So I have 2 of those. Each of these I have 2 sheets of, and then we got polka dots on the back. Then we have a page of our ice skates. I used to ice skate. We had an ice skating rink at the Clackamas Town Center. I used to go when I was in high school. Loved it. could go really fast and I could go backwards, but I could not stop. So, you know, the walls, they took a hit every time I wanted to stop. Oh, the green polka dots on the back. I know that there's people out there that know what I'm talking about because I just never learned that particular art. And here's a bunch of snow globes. Aren't those cute? And look, I hope you can see that. They are just, those are so cute. On the back of this, we have more snowflakes. This is just adorable. And the penguins. I love them. Oh my gosh. They've got their snowballs ready to go for a fight. Love it. Striped on the back. And then the last, nope, not the last. I've got 2 more to go. My goodness, I got a lot of paper. This is awesome. This is awesome. The florals. Love the winter florals. And then that beautiful pattern on the back. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And our snowman. Love the snowman. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They look so happy. And then, oh, the beautiful green herringbone on the back. That's so pretty. I hope I can build a snowman. That would be nice. Oh, and look at this. I've got the solid coordinating cardstock pack. So I have 2 of each of these colors. So this is what it looks like on the one side. So we've got the beautiful colors here, and then on the back, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Gorgeous colors. I also received some heavyweight chipboard, so I will be incorporating that. And then, you guys, I took this out of the package, and, you know, I was kind of thinking it would be too shiny in the package, but I think it's just, like, super shiny anyway. This is Glitter Card, and this is, let me get the thing, by Craft Perfect, Tonic Studios, and I got a package of this. They come at 8.5 by 11. They are 92 pounds, so they're very nice and thick, and you get 5 sheets per package. So I have 5 sheets of this beautiful glitter cardstock to work with too. That is going to be fantastic with the matting. That is amazing. So I am set with papers. Now I did also receive, there's my stickers and my chipboard. I did also receive the 2 packs, one of frames and tags, and then I got an ephemera pack. And so I took them out and I put it on my little cardboard tray here to just show you all of the different things that are in this collection. I just think it's really, there's a lot that I'm going to get to play with here. And I just, snowflakes are kisses from heaven. Love that. Look at that. And there's my skates. Oh my gosh, that's funny. That cracks me up. That brings back memories. And then the ephemera pack here. Again, very nice set of ephemera here. We've got some journaling spots. All that glitters is snow. Chilling with my Snowmies. I like that. Super, super fun collection. So this is the ephemera pack. I will have all of this linked down below in the description box. So I did receive quite a bit. So not only did I get the ephemera pack, I got the frames and tags pack. I got the beautiful organza ribbon. I got the bittersweet twine, and I received also the blue seam binding. Loving it. I also, and then I got the chipboard stickers. I got the regular stickers. I got 2 sheets of all of the pattern papers. The 2 sheets each of the coordinating cardstock, and then the glitter cards. So I am ready to rock. This is going to be a fun project. So thanks for watching. Go visit Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Everything that you need to know is in the description. And I will see you soon with a great project I know you're going to love. So thanks for watching. Have a great night. And until I see you again soon, stay crafty. Bye-bye.